Namaskar. Today we are going to do Vrikshasana, tree pose. A pose which has come from the structure of the trees, the tall, long trees. This posture is very good for starting to balance. For getting into the balancing postures, this is the first posture which should be practiced. This also gives a lot of stability in the mind. So it is very good for concentration. Can be done by kids as well because they need it more for getting better and brighter in their future studies. This posture can be done by everyone, and this is a very easy posture to start balancing. You can use support in the beginning of a wall, and later you can leave the wall and do it without the wall support. So let's start the posture. For that, just stretch your legs straight. We'll have to go into the standing posture. Slowly folding the legs back and gently coming up into standing posture. Find the grip very nicely so that your feet are firm on the floor. You need to put the pressure on the big toes. And then we start with one leg at a time. Gently shift your body weight on the left foot and lift your right leg up. You can hold the leg and place it down. If this is easy for you, you can challenge and get the leg up completely high. Heel going closer to the perineum, toe pointing down on the inner thigh muscle. The knee pointing outwards, opening up completely. Belly tucked in, engage the abdomen muscles. And then slowly join your palms into Namaskar Mudra. Now find your balance by focusing at one steady gaze point and keep your balance. Once you're getting this posture comfortably, then you can challenge yourself by stretching your arms up towards the sky. And then coming into a full Namaskar. This is the tree pose. Firm from the down, the base, and tall and long up towards the sky. Straight spine, chest opened up, belly tucked in. Coming down, you gently release your arms and very slowly relax the leg down. And this posture can be also done with support. Also remember that while doing the posture, you need to keep your back erect, eyes gazing at one single spot. If you lose the focus, you will lose the balance. It gives a lot of strength to the calf muscles, to the heels, and to your legs. So people having a lot of leg pain and a lot of weakness in the legs can do this posture to get strength in the legs. Also, flat foot people can practice this posture. And this is safe for everyone until you have some ankle injuries, then it gets a little challenging. So next, we will do from the other side because the posture has to be balanced with both the legs. So the similar pattern, you will shift the weight on the right foot now, gripping the feet properly on the floor, gently lifting the left leg up towards the perineum. The heel touches up, the toe facing down, knee pointing outward, belly tucked in, chest opened up, spine stretched up. Once you are steady in the posture, here you find the focus point, you keep the feet firm. And then gently stretch your arms up. With inhalation, we stretch up and we stay there. Remember that in all the postures, your breath has to be steady and normal. Don't hold your breath. Now keep the balance, face relaxed, body steady, mind is automatically steady in here. And then gently, after holding the pose for at least 10 to 20 seconds, you relax the pose. Gently keep the foot down. Try to practice this posture at least 3 to 5 times in a day for better balance. Especially those who have a lot of stress, anxiety, they can also practice this. Even it is very, very helpful for those who are not able to remember and memorize things. This increases your memory. This posture can be done 3 to 5 times in a day for better balancing and concentration. Also remember that everyday practice will make you better. If you don't practice, it will not come easily. So keep practicing and keep doing it until you get there. In the beginning, you can use the wall support to hold the pose and then gradually leave the wall support. Holding the posture with complete breath awareness for at least 10 seconds in the beginning, and you can go on for 1 minute. So depends on your practice. Best wishes, good luck, keep practicing. Namaskar.